Hi everyone, how are you today? Just learned an interesting fact. Today being January the 15th is actual National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. Now, who knew? But apparently very, very popular in the United States, which again is another interesting fact because, well, it's winter in the United States. So although very hot and humid here on the Sunshine Coast today and perfect for homemade, easy strawberry ice cream day on National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. Very interesting that they are eating strawberry ice cream in the Northern Hemisphere. So anyway, if we've got any people from the Northern Hemisphere, America, Canada, Europe joining us today, I'd be really interested to know if any of you in fact are celebrating National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. But regardless, it's hot and humid here, as I said, so I've got a really simple, easy 4-minute strawberry soft serve for you all. So I just got my trusty little blender. Now, if you've got a thermo machine of any description, get it out because it's going to be perfect for this. A blender, a food processor, but because I'm in the office and storage is a premium, I've just got my little trusty Breville all-in-one blender here. So this is what I'm using to make my 4-minute strawberry soft serve today. So I've got some frozen strawberries. Now, a couple of little facts about strawberries. Did you know they're actually a member of the rose family? I didn't know that. And every single little strawberry, fresh or frozen, has approximately, on average, 200 seeds encompassing it. So our ancestors used to use them or consume them for medicinal purposes. They believed that they reduced the likelihood of sadness, so of depression, and also kidney stones. So who knew that? But you know what, every time I eat a strawberry, I feel automatically happier too. They're just so delicious. And they are also today, through modern medicine, known as a very good source of vitamin C. So really not very many reasons not to consume strawberries. So there you are. There's a couple of really good, interesting little facts. But part of the rose family, I didn't know that. And hello to everyone joining us today. Lina, Shell, hello, darling. Saw your 10 years or 8 years before and after photo yesterday too. My gosh, you look amazing now. So Rhonda Barbarell, hello, darling. Hope all is well up in Maryborough for you. Rachel Godfrey, yummy. I know. 4-minute strawberry soft serve celebrating National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. So here you go, into whatever little blender you were using today. And I just bought this little Breville all-in-one off better.com.au. And for those of you that haven't subscribed to the Better newsletter, get on over and do so, because that company, okay, they're based in Brisbane. They've got over 250 stores around the country, but their online communication, their weekly giveaways, their cashback deals, absolutely brilliant. So I also work with them and provide a hub over there called How to Be a Better Cook, or Be a Better Cook. And there's some fabulous little videos and tips there as well. So better.com.au, get over there and subscribe to their little website. So into your blender, what you're going to do is put about 275 grams of frozen strawberries. Now, you can go and buy frozen strawberries, or you can get punnets off, whatever, or however, but I use frozen strawberries just bought. And I usually buy them, I look out for them when they are on sale. So like most things, shop to your IGA catalogue. Remember, your catalogue comes out tomorrow as well, or whichever catalogue or whichever store, but I use IGA because I love the independent. So 275 grams of frozen strawberries into your little food processor blender or Thermomix. Then you're going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, when I was shopping at IGA this morning in Caloundra, noticed this sugar. So my CSR low GI cane sugar, which I thought was really interesting. So never used it before. It actually looks like raw sugar. So just the low GI caught my interest. Now you could easily substitute your 2 tablespoons of sugar here for maybe honey or maple syrup, or if you've got any kind of natural sweetener, your stevia, or whatever you have, you could use those dextrose. So you just want a little bit of sugar to naturally sweeten. Now I am also going to add, to help that, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So whichever vanilla extract you have, about 1/4 teaspoon. So for those of you just joining us, we are doing a 4-minute strawberry soft serve to celebrate National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. So here we go. And my final ingredient, 2/3 a cup of cream. Now I have used Buller's thickened cream. I didn't use a light or anything, a reduced fat. I want the fat in this cream to help stabilize my ice cream. This is what we're going to add to ensure our ice cream A, freezes really well, and B, defreezes or defrosts with a really nice creamy consistency, no sort of crystallized particles in it. So it's your fat component that won't crystallize when you freeze. So we need about 2/3 a cup. So put it in my little trusty measuring cup. 2/3 a cup of beautiful cream. Thickened, chilled cream. Ooh, strawberries and cream. Oh, it is the Australian Open season, so strawberries and cream. This is just a simple variation of strawberries and cream in an ice cream format. So there we go. Remember our 4 ingredients: 275 grams of frozen strawberries that I just bought in the freezer section of my supermarket, 2 tablespoons of sugar that you could use any kind of substitute or any kind of, honey or maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2/3 a cup of full fat cream. And I used Buller. They are a 3-generation Australian family company that have been in business since 1910. So, all about sharing and supporting local producers, suppliers, and independents. So, okay, this is going to be noisy for a couple of secs, but let's blitz. Okay, I'm just going to push that down, give it a little stir. Oh, look at the colour that is resulting. Okay, and if you're using a thermo appliance or a blender or food processor at home to make this, you might have to just do the same. Just push the ingredients sort of down over the blade a couple of times. If any of you go to the Ekka, this is like that strawberry ice cream that is produced by the Royal, Brisbane Hospital every year at the Ekka. It is just, oh my gosh, delightful. So let's pop our little lid back on. Whoops. Oh, where is it? There it is. Okay, we're on. Don't you love it when you're creating something you know is going to be really delightful? So again, I'm just going to stir and push this down onto the... So I just want to show you, see how it's all coming together. There's still a few little frozen straws in it that I'll just do. Oh, getting creamier. The sugar's starting to break down. Oh, that is so delicious. Yeah. Okay, so getting creamier. Whoopsies. And I'm just going to push this down a bit more. Might give it one more blast and then I will. Okay, here we go. Another one. Pop this in. Oops. Is that right? Here we go. There's our little edge. Oh, here we go. All right. See it moving? Okay. Oh, look at our strawberry 4-minute soft serve. So I'm going to just look at this, beautiful people. This is going to serve around about 4 people. So if you were having, look, I'm just going to, okay, this one obviously is mine, but see how the 4 ingredients have come together to form a really lovely soft serve consistency. So you can serve this up straight away, or if you wanted to serve it as an ice cream, you could just freeze it. I would just freeze it and then get out your ice cream, your little ice cream scoop, and serve it up in actual ice cream balls or ice cream rounds. Now, I just went out to my garden and I picked 3 little pink geraniums. So I'm going to show you. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is really yummy. Hello everyone, Leonie Burt. Good morning from beautiful Brisbane, just down the road. Michelle Vernon. Hello from Melbourne. Oh, what's the weather like in Melbourne today, Michelle? A bit hard to understand. Where are you from? Oh, I just missed. Somewhere in South America. Elise, Victoria, ha ha ha. Carleen Counter, good morning from Rocket. Carleen, if it is like it is here on the sunny coast today, this is going to be a perfect recipe for you today to help you cool down. Delphina Tolner, hello from Texas. I wonder is that Texas Darling Downs or Texas, the United States of America. Mary Grace Panteria, hello, hoping for clearer audio. Oh, I hope, oh, is that what you're all saying? It's a little hard to understand maybe my audio. Judy Walker, good afternoon from South Island, New Zealand. Oh, Judy, how do you go with strawberry ice cream? You're celebrating National Strawberry Ice Cream Day over there today. Kiora from Wellington, New Zealand. Windy Wellington, is it windy over there? Anne Campbell today. Julie Semple, hello from Adelaide. Hello, Jules. Linny Hughes, good morning. Kimmy, good morning. Lynn. Christine McIntyre from Melbourne. Nathan Hegarty. Today is National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. He's tagging his friends. It is. Who knew that, Nathan? I didn't. But anyway, we all have strawberries. We all love them, so why not celebrate them? But I just want to show you, for those who've just joined us, this is my 4-minute strawberry soft serve. And this is what I've just whipped up in the office now, using 4 simple ingredients: cream, frozen strawberries, vanilla extract, and a little bit of sugar. And I did actually let you know that you could substitute sugar for honey or maple syrup or stevias, natural, sugar substitutes, whatever you like, whatever suits your diet. Tianne Lindenau, hello darling, hope all is well in South Australia with you. Aleda Bowden, hello. Rosa Ruggiero, hot in Adelaide today, just right for ice cream, especially considering it's National Strawberry Ice Cream Day, so who knew that even existed? I think days like that are really funny. But anyway, there you go, beautiful people. That is essentially a 4-ingredient, 4-minute soft serve. Oh my God, that. So in that, all the sugar has broken down, the 2 tablespoons of sugar. The cream is what stabilizes this and gives it that beautiful creamy consistency. It's the frozen berries that make it like soft serve straight away. You don't need an ice cream machine. You don't need to freeze it. You could freeze it though, and then actually use your ice cream scoop for scoops of ice cream at a later date. But that, and because I use full fat cream, you can freeze it knowing that the cream component isn't going to crystallize, so it's going to continue to be a really creamy consistency after it has been frozen. But that is just divine. Now that's a recipe out of a little cookbook called 4 Ingredients Kids. So you can see there, 4-minute strawberry soft serve. In the picture, I've also used blueberries and done the same thing, but with blueberries. You could do raspberries, you could do all sorts of different things. You could actually, as well, to this, add a little bit of freshly chopped mint, maybe a little bit of a splash of balsamic vinegar, which would be really nice. But for those of you as well, I just want to show you a 2-book deal that we've got going on at the moment. So 4 Ingredients Healthy Diet, for those of you that have that, on page 137, there's another strawberry ice cream. So this uses a tub of beautiful creamy vanilla-infused Greek yogurt, fresh mango and strawberries. And you blend those 3 ingredients all together and you freeze it. And if anyone is sort of doing that whole new healthy, cutting out processed carbohydrates, added sugars, all that sort of thing, you can actually make this, and I called it our Healthy Happy Birthday Ice Cream Cake. So it is strawberries, mangoes, and vanilla Greek vanilla infused yogurt. So it's really, really nice as well because that Greek yogurt gives it that nice creamy consistency. So have a look at the moment because online, so yes, this little book, 4 Ingredients Healthy Diet, usually retails at $24.99. We are doing a bundled deal at the moment. So what we're doing is New Year, New Year, focusing on not only the health of your body, but the health, importantly, of your mind. So we've got this little New Year, New Year pack on sale at the moment. This is 10 years in. Which will be the cheapest antidepressant you ever own. It is going to make you smile, it's going to make you laugh, it's going to make you think, it's motivational, it's inspirational, it's just full of beautiful little quotes that you will absolutely love. Usually RRP is at $15, this usually at $24.99, so $45 combined plus postage. We are doing them online at the moment for just $29.99, posted anywhere around Australia. I think postage is an additional $10 to all our friends joining us from New Zealand. But this is going to nourish you on the inside, and this is going to nourish you up here. So often where the biggest problem is for a lot of us. But anyway, what have I got today? I said I just opened it at a random page. So lots of beautiful little quotes and anecdotes, and it says, talk to people. Everyone you will ever meet knows something you don't. Now, how true is that? And on the other page, one of my all-time favorites, it says, giving is always in style. Isn't that amazing? And we all know the more you give, the more that you get back. You will never influence society by being just like it. We've got Madonna to thank for those little words of wisdom. A successful business doesn't require an MBA. It just requires an original idea. Now that basically sums up 4 ingredients. So there you go, beautiful people. Lots of lovely little similar recipes to the one that we did today. The strawberry ice cream cake, the happy birthday cake, look out for that one in here. Breakfast, lunches, dinners, desserts, all designed to nourish your insides, 10 years in, designed to make you smile and laugh to nourish you up here. So look after you physically and mentally this year with the New Year pack, which is on sale, down from $45 to just $29.99 anywhere in the country. Tara Jane Pottage, this is so simple to make. Yes, it is, and it is absolutely delicious. So for those of you that have just joined us, this is my beautiful 4-minute strawberry soft serve that I just whipped up. So I got the ingredients at my local IGA this morning here in Caloundra, and I used my little trusty Breville handheld all-in-one blender. So if you've got a thermo appliance, a food processor, a blender, you're gonna be able to make double, triple this. But I just use that. This is gonna serve 4 people. Put my 4 ingredients: frozen strawberries, a little bit of sugar, vanilla extract, and cream in it, and just blitzed and blitzed and blitzed until I got this beautiful, creamy, soft serve consistency. Oh. And I'm like, I gotta go and share this before I eat it all with everybody. Bye, my loves. Remember today, January 15th, National Strawberry Ice Cream Day. Who knew? I'm ever so glad it exists. Bye.